The Maverick wants to do a different kind of commentary this evening. It's more of a celebration than a commentary. A celebration of all the athletes participating in Boys and Girls Champs and what they represent. Discipline, dedication, focus, hard work, excellence. Not just 1 or 2 stars, but the entire cohort of athletes representing their schools. And I am leading these Maverick celebrations in the context of the narrative of negativity being spewed at this Generation Z, often labeled as soft and irresponsible and even worthless. But let's be honest, most of these youngsters we see competing at champs are from the lower end of the socio-economic scale in Jamaica. Most of them are poor people picnic who would have been subjected to the negative images and influences in the streets and in their communities. But they chose wisely. They chose competition. They chose sports. Some might go on to bigger things. Some might never run another race after champs. But in the here and now, for their positivity and their confidence, we need to give them the assurance and the reminder that sports is a microcosm of life. And just like how they might win some races and lose some races at champs, they might win some battles and lose some battles in life. It's just part of the journey as they lead Jamaica and indeed the world into the future. And we say champs to the world, Generation Z to the world.